Slack versus Notion, which productivity tool wins? Choosing the right productivity platform can completely change how you manage tasks and communication without overwhelming your workflow. Slack focuses on messaging, while Notion combines notes and project management. Slack and Notion are two popular productivity tools with different core focuses. Slack excels at real-time communication and team collaboration through chat, while Notion offers an all-in-one workspace for notes, databases, and project tracking. Slack is a messaging platform designed to streamline team communication. It works by organizing conversations into channels based on projects, teams, or topics, allowing users to send direct messages, share files, and integrate with numerous apps. Its strength lies in real-time collaboration, quick notifications, and a user-friendly interface that keeps teams connected. Slack supports voice and video calls, making remote meetings easy. However, Slack can become overwhelming with high message volumes, and its search function, while powerful, may require a paid plan for full access. It's ideal for teams that prioritize fast, organized communication and need to stay connected throughout the day without switching between multiple apps. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, task management, databases, and wikis in a flexible platform. It allows users to create customizable pages with text, tables, calendars, and Kanban boards. Notion works by letting individuals or teams build tailored workflows that fit their unique needs. Its strengths include versatility, deep organization, and the ability to centralize knowledge and projects in one place. However, Notion's learning curve can be steep for new users, and it lacks real-time chat features, which means communication happens outside the tool or through comments. Notion is best suited for users who want to manage projects, documentation, and tasks in a single, customizable environment and don't require instant messaging. Slack and Notion serve distinct purposes that complement different work styles. Slack shines in scenarios where instant communication and quick decision-making are crucial, such as customer support teams or fast-paced startups. Notion excels in environments that need detailed project planning, documentation, and knowledge management, like marketing teams or product development. Slack's real-time messaging can sometimes cause distractions, while Notion's all-in-one approach may slow down communication but enhances organization. Teams that require both communication and project management often use Slack alongside Notion to cover all bases. The trade-off is between speed and depth. Slack prioritizes immediate interaction. Notion focuses on structured information. Slack is recommended for teams that need fast, organized communication and real-time collaboration without compromising on ease of use. Notion is ideal for users seeking a customizable workspace to manage projects and documentation in one place. For comprehensive productivity, combining Notion's organization with Slack's communication creates a powerful workflow that covers every team's needs.